Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add PayPal to Amazon. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com or of course go to the App Store or Google Play Store, where you'll find the of course application. And then after that, just go and log into your profile. Of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to PayPal. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So you can see the top tabs are the Home tab, Send, Wallet, Activity and Help. And we have some other tabs here, of course, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add PayPal to Amazon. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do guys is of course launch Amazon.com in a browser or log in with your account information, of course. So open another link and open the Amazon browser. Click the Accounts and Lists option in the upper right corner. And after clicking on the Accounts and Lists in the upper right corner, click the Your Payments section. After that, after clicking on the Your Payments section, click the Add Your Card button and then just of course find the PayPal debit card and click that you want to go and add that one. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, of course, bye guys.